Hey everyone! Have you ever found yourself buzzing with a brilliant idea, but just didn't know how to turn that spark into cold, hard cash? Today, I'm going to show you how to make that leap from concept to cash flow. First things first, validate your idea. It's crucial to ensure there's a market for your brainchild. Talk to potential customers, get feedback, and see if people are actually willing to pay for what you're offering. Remember, an idea alone isn't worth much without demand. Next up, prototype. Whether it's a service or a product, create a simple version of your idea that you can show to others. This doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to demonstrate what you're trying to do. Think of it as bringing your idea to life. Now let's talk about funding. Not all ideas require a lot of money to start, but if yours does, consider options like bootstrapping, crowdfunding, or seeking angel investors. Each has its pros and cons, so choose the route that best suits your idea and your circumstances. Once you've got the prototype and funding sorted, it's time to launch. Start small. Use platforms that align with your target audience to get your product or service out there. Social media, local markets, or specific online communities are great places to start. Finally, iterate. Based on the feedback you receive, tweak your offering. Improve continuously. The most successful products and services out there have evolved over time based on user feedback. So, what are you waiting for? Take that brilliant idea of yours and start making money today. Remember, every big business out there started as a small idea just like yours. You've got this.